we will find how to measure the error in calculation. Now, steps of error calculation are like this. Find the true value. First, you find the true value. Then, what is meant by true value? True value is nothing but the average value of all the repeated readings we have taken. Then find the absolute error in it. Then find the mean absolute error. So absolute error means each measured value what we have, we should minus from the true value and take only its modulus, that is only the absolute value we take. Then find the mean absolute error. That means all these absolute errors what we found, its average we have to find out. Then find the relative error. Relative error means the mean absolute error to the true value ratio is known as relative error. And finally, find the percentage error, that is relative error into 100. Relative error multiplied by 100 is known as percentage error. In this numerical, we will calculate the percentage error. The data given is the readings of a measurement, that is 1.12 millimeter, 1.14 millimeter, 1.07, 1.15 and 1.13 millimeters. Calculate the absolute error, relative error and percentage error in measurement. So our first step of measurement is finding the true value or the average. So we can call these measurements as A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So when you find A bar, it is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, the whole divided by 5. So it is 1.12 plus 1.14 plus 1.07 plus 1.15 plus 1.13 divided by 5, which will give us 5.61 divided by 5, which is 1.122. So here all these numbers have only 3 significant figures. You will take here 1.12 only as A bar, that much millimeters. Now second step in the calculation is finding the absolute value. So absolute value, when you find out, what we have to do is we say delta A1 absolute value. When you find, it is 1.12 minus our first reading, that is 1.12 itself. So it will give us 0. Next, delta A2. Again 1.12 minus 1.14 will give us 0.02. Then next is delta A3. Delta A3 is equal to 1.12 minus 1.07. 1.12 minus 1.07, that is 0.05. Next, delta A4, 1.12 minus 1.15, which is 0.03. Delta A5 next, that is 1.12 minus 1.13. 0.01. So now what we have to do is all these values, that is 0, 0.02, 0.05, 0.03 and 0.01. This all values we have to add and divide by 5. So that is called mean absolute error. So mean absolute error is third step of our error calculation. Mean absolute error. So here what will we do is delta A bar we will find out. That is, the numbers are 0 plus 0.02 plus 0.05 plus 0.03 plus 0.01, the whole divided by 5. So this will give us the value 0.11 divided by 5. which is 0.022. Now next step, the fourth step of calculation is finding the mean, finding the relative error. Relative error is delta A bar divided by A bar. So it is 0.022 divided by our A bar value. A bar is 1.12. So this will give us 0.0196 as the answer. Next is the fifth step, percentage error. That is relative error into 100. That is delta A bar by A bar into 100. So 0.0196 into 100 will do. This is 1.96 percentage, or approximately you can take it as 2%. So this is how we calculate the percentage error in our measurements. So there are 5 steps, proper 5 steps involved in this error calculation.